From the very start, isa ako sa mga tao talaga na um, critical sa priority ng government. Gusto nila build, 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 build better more. Gusto nila infra projects talaga. Yun ang gusto ng mga politicians. And bakit kaya yun ang gusto nila? No, with what is happening now, yung mga um, na surface na mga ghost control ghost flood control projects, then I realized na gusto pala nila ng infra because there is a better chance of corruption. Mas malaki yung mananakaw nila, mas marami yung mananakaw nila kasi mga projects yun. And that's the reason why gusto nila infra. Yun ang gusto ng mga politicians. Well, very obvious na yan ngayon. Kaya ako for the government, I really suggest na for good governance na wag parati infrastructure. Kasi sa infrastructure, diyan talaga sila yumayaman. They are making the government a milking cow para magnakaw ng maraming salapi. Just like what is happening now. So, I'm one of those who really um, disagree with infrastructure projects. Kasi marami talagang nakawan nangyayari because of that. Thank you.